She's fine, Haley. Oh, that'd have been a good one.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Bruce's RC Adventures. Today we're at Lake Conservation RC Track. Never been here before, figured I'd stop by and check it out. It did just finish raining, as you can see, so it's pretty muddy, but that's not going to stop us. We're going to do one lap around this track, and then we're pretty much just going to bash. And yeah, let's see if we can get any air. I did put new belted tires on the sledge itself. Going to see how they perform. Not too thrilled with them yet, but we'll give them a chance and see how they do.
Let me whip us now, Mama. I think I'm back in this. Let's land it.
I'm trying to marry that one. Can I be her? Hold on, Haley. Not right now. Try to do something.
What?
That's the walk of shame, babe. The waddle of shame. You look like a pregnant woman.
I know one.
Do you?
What?
You look like Sasquatch.
This damn shit, me and Downsy don't flip this RC car.
Oh my god.
I know, but I think it's right.
Now you know how it feels. Hold on. What don't you like about those tires?
Those tires suck
Why?
because I mean, obviously they're made not to balloon, and they're made for higher speeds. But one, they don't allow me to do any flat ground backflips, so I can't do backflips anymore. And the in the air control is no longer there.
Because of the tires?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they stay compacted together. They don't balloon, and they're much heavier tires in a way.
Is that why you're not doing backflips right now?
Yeah, because they can't.
Well, if you're trying to get speed on it, that's a good way to do it, right?
Yeah, I mean you can get speed on it, but the tires itself, like,
Mama, we're going.
I should realistically be able to backflip this. This one right here in the center. It just doesn't. There's no rotation at all when you're in the air. It's just solid out.
Is that like a good, like what would that be useful for?
I guess if you're not trying to do stunts and you're like trying to hit ramps and just fly, it's good for that, for stability. But otherwise, you can't really do much with it.
I gotcha. Cindy. Hold on, Pop.
That was a good one.
She's fine, Haley. Oh, that'd have been a good one.